Makale, spring is almost here and the weather is finally nice. You guys know how much I have been waiting for this moment to go outdoors. So, when I saw it was gonna be 15 degrees today, I made a sudden plan to visit the Peak District. And here I am, taking you to Froggatt Edge, Curbar Edge, and Baslow Edge, a hike that's supposed to take around 2 hours. But let's be honest, if you are like me, who loves stopping for photos and videos, it's gonna be much longer. We took the bus 65 from Ecclesar Road and got down at Stoke Bar. From there, we walked through Stoke Lake, which runs alongside the River Derwent. And OMG, I saw horses and geese along the way. But I have to be honest here, it kind of smelled like Aatupulika. Other than that, the place was just beautiful. From there, we took a left at Froggatt Bridge, walked along A625 and then started our hike. As you can see, the path was rocky but fun to walk on. And a little chilly, but I was so glad I wore my thick sweatshirt, so I didn't feel cold at all. The hike is a bit steep, but totally manageable. ஆனா எவ்வளவு தூரம் போக இருக்கோ தெரியல. வாங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம். Yay! We are almost here. You can see Froggatt Edge from here. Froggatt Edge is a high rocky area in the Peak District. It's a great spot for hiking and rock climbing. The best time to visit is spring or autumn because the weather is nice and the views are really pretty. இப்போ கொஞ்சத்துல நான் போயிட்டு காட்டுறேன் உங்களுக்கு. My man found a perfect spot to sit and enjoy the view. So we took a break here, had some homemade snacks and just relaxed. ரொம்பவே பீஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு. Also, I saw some reels where people spotted deers on this hike, so I was really hoping to see some today. Fingers crossed! Reality check. சில பல காடு தாண்டி மலை தாண்டி என்னெல்லாம் தாண்டி இந்த ஹைக்குக்கு வர வேண்டியதா இருக்கு. We walked a little further, but so far no deer yet. எங்கடா அந்த மானெல்லாத்தையும் ஒளிச்சு வச்சிருக்கீங்க? From sad life. Next, we continue straight to Curbar Edge. Curbar Edge is another beautiful rocky area. It's popular for its amazing views. You can see miles of hills and valleys from here. The best time to come is early morning or sunset because the sky looks stunning. The walk had pretty much the same views, but by afternoon it got windier. Since it was so windy, I decided to shoot a dance reel here, which you can watch in my shorts. மறந்துடாம ஒரு லைக் போட்டு அப்படியே ஒரு சப்ஸ்கிரைபையும் பண்ணிருங்க. And here we are, Curbar Edge. And now the final stop, Baslow Edge. Baslow Edge is famous for its Highland cows. They usually roam around here freely. And as I mentioned before, it's also a great place to see deers if you are lucky. From here, you can get a beautiful view of Curbar Edge too. Anyway, I planned this hike especially to see the Highland cows. I so badly wanted to see them today. But guess what? Still no cows. Why, God? Why? At this point, I think I have a thing with dungs, not with cows. because I saw plenty of Matisani but no actual cows. A little sad, but honestly, I still love this hike. Trust me. Now we gotta catch the bus at 3, so we are heading back. It will take around 30 minutes to reach the cafe, so time to wrap up. We went to a cafe called Matilda's, which is also a gift shop. I was so amazed to see all the beautiful gift items at affordable prices. If you are ever in this area, make sure to check it out. Hope you guys enjoy this little hike with me. If there's any place around Sheffield you want me to explore next, let me know in the comments. See you next week with another adventure. Bye!